If you're sewing by hand, you can use any stitching method as long as it holds the pad together. But I would recommend using the backstitch sewing method. The backstitch is easy to do and give you stronger stitches. Let me show you how. First, thread your needle and make a knot. You can use any other knots to thread your needle through. For this demonstration, I'm using a giant version of a thread and needle so you can watch the movements clearly. Then, step the fabric from the bottom and make another piercing one finger width apart. Pull the thread all the way through. It's called a backstitch because you now have to go halfway backwards and stab it from the bottom. Next, stab it about 2 fingers width forward and repeat the backward movement again. Keep going forward and backward until you've reached the end. At the end, make a knot and cut the excess thread. Once you've completed sewing the inner layers to one outer layer using a backstitch, your pad will look like this. Earlier, I recommended to sew the stitches one finger width apart. If your stitches are too far apart, then your pad would end up looking like this. Now that you've learned how to do a backstitch, go ahead and give it a try.